Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome. For today's video we have a quick Louis Vuitton unboxing. I picked it up about 2 weeks ago and I actually posted a vlog last Thursday. If you haven't watched it, you can definitely check it out. I'm gonna link it up here and in the description box as well. But basically we went Louis Vuitton shopping. It was very unplanned and unexpected. We decided to just go see the new collection, and my beautiful SA, as always, did the impossible and she offered me this beautiful piece. Although I wasn't planning on buying anything that day, I wasn't like really interested in anything, but then she showed me this and I went for it. YOLO. I really loved it. I always wanted this piece because I think it's just so adorable. Anyway, let's get right into it so I can show you what's inside. Here's the bag and the box. I'll try to do it as quickly as possible, but I'm so excited for you to see. You actually had a sneak peek of this piece in my vlog, so if you watched it, you definitely know what it is, but it is something really special. It is something super rare and very hard to find nowadays. I had to act quick, but at the same time I wasn't even sure if I needed it. I mean, I really like this piece, but at the same time, do I need it? I have to ask myself all the time. But I thought that I can either return it back or just sell it. It's not gonna be a problem because this is such a hot piece, and yeah, everybody loves it, everybody wants it, and it's very hard to get. So it's in the dust bag. It is so beautiful. I mean, it is so cute. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! So I got the kirigami from the Escale collection. It's in this beautiful tie-dye print, which is so cute. I'm gonna put the box down. I really love this pastel colors. So this is actually the first pouch, as you may know. Then it comes with the second and smaller pouch in the beautiful blue color, and you know how much I love blue, so I'm very happy. This kirigami comes in the blue as well, and then it comes in the mini pouch in this beautiful red and pink color. This kirigami collection is just so cute. On the inside it has this beautiful red leather lining. It says Louis Vuitton over here, made in Paris, and then this one is blue on the inside and it has the same Louis Vuitton made in Paris, and then this one is in the baby pink color, and again it says Louis Vuitton made in Paris. This is also in silver hardware. It's not the gold hardware. That's why the inside writing is in silver. This was a little bit more expensive than the regular canvas print because it's a Escale, and limited collections are usually more expensive than the regular monogram. I'm gonna put the price in the description box, so if you're interested you can take a look, and I think you can really justify the price. I mean, you get 3 pouches in one. So this size actually reminds me of the pochette 19, not 26. 26 is quite larger, but the 19, and I think it is pretty much the same size. I mean, it's quite large and you can use it for multiple purposes. When I spoke to my SA, she basically explained that this is sort of like the travel pouches that Louis Vuitton created, but you can definitely use it in multiple ways. So this one, she said, I could use for my passport and little accessories that I might need on my flight, and then this piece I could use for some little toiletry pieces, and then the mini one is for cards or coins, and I think you can definitely use it however you like, and you can do so many things with this. So when I saw this large piece, I thought that I could add silver chain over here and then turn this pouch into a crossbody bag, and I think it will look so nice. I actually tried it on in the store. She gave me a chain that I could use and it looked really good, but my SA told me to be a little bit careful with it because the chain can damage the leather on the inside. So even if I use it with the chain, I should be mindful of what I'm putting inside so this pouch doesn't get too heavy, otherwise the chain will leave some marks inside. I'll try to do that. I'll try to be as careful as possible, but this is one option of how you can use it. You can use it as a toiletry, you can use it as an evening clutch, you can do so many things things with this piece. This is actually very similar to the mini pochette from Louis Vuitton, except that it doesn't have the zip on top, but it opens up like this, and I'm pretty sure it can hold even more than the pochette, the mini pochette, because I think the mini pochette is even slightly smaller. So you can definitely put a lot of things inside your makeup products, put it inside your handbag, use it as a little pouch. And then the mini one is definitely for credit cards, coins, some cash. It is also super cute. If you want, you can even put your headphones inside. I think it will fit just fine. Also, as you can see, the large pouch comes with a large monogram. On the medium pouch we can see the regular monogram, so it's a regular sized monogram, and then on the mini one we can see the mini monogram, which is so adorable. It is really so cute. And if you want to see a close-up, there you go, the large monogram, the regular monogram, and the mini monogram, and you get all these colors in one. So I'm very happy that I picked up this piece. Also, remember how at the beginning I mentioned that I might return it or sell it? No, not happening. I haven't seen this piece since I bought it in the store. It's been about 2 weeks now. I forgot the colors, I forgot everything about this piece. So right now when I'm looking at it, I'm like, no, I cannot sell it because it's just so versatile. It is so beautiful. It's 3 pieces in one, and I get a card holder, I get a mini pouch, like small pouch, and then I also get sort of a clutch or a crossbody bag, which is so amazing and so versatile. I definitely have to find a chain for it and try and use it as a crossbody bag, and I think it will look so amazing for summer. And I love this color. I'm currently obsessed with red handbags, so I think this is gonna look so cute. And then I love blue color, and I always wanted a bag in the baby pink color or something similar, and also purple. We can see it's like baby pink, yellow, blue, and purple, and these are the colors that I don't have in my collection like at all. So I'm so happy that now I do, and it's just so cool. And right now I'm going to show you what fits inside these 3 pouches. What do you think? Do you like this little piece? Are you a fan of a kirigami in general? Would you get one? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you think about the Escale collection in general. Would you go for it? Which items are on your radar right now? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post a lot of fashion related videos, unboxings, reviews, vlogs, so if you're interested in any of that, then this is definitely the right place for you. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!